How to add emojis in YT Create application. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add emoji in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open up the YT Create application and now you have to select the project from there. Let me select the untitled project from there, and you can see I have added up my text there. Now if I wanted to add the emoji on my this text, I can tap on the sticker, and after that you can see the emoji option. So I can just tap on the emoji and you can see I will get the emojis, list of the emojis there. So I can select one of the emoji from there. Let me select this one. If I tap on it, it will automatically be selected and it will come on your screen. If you want to make it small, you can see by using my two fingers putting on the screen, I can change its size. So this is how you can easily add the emoji and you can easily change the size of the emoji in the YT Create application. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.